with as far as gimmicks. I spit barrage and limit the shit they talk and rip it. I'm hip, the hop is living. I skip the obvious women, don't get what I'm presenting. No rims, my mind is spinning. I was born and raised in a place where the tone of flame would blaze, where the foreigners not embraced, where they warn you jock and pace, where the loners lower they gaze, where the corners slower they.
Your mama is so fat when her beeper goes off, people think she's backing up.
Yeah, your mama's so fat when she goes to the movies, she sits next to everyone.
Your mama's so fat when she goes in a restaurant, she looks at the menu and says, okay.
Your mama's so fat she has to iron her pants on the driveway.
Your mama's so fat she puts her lipstick on with a paint roller.
Your mama's so fat she has to pull down her pants to get in her pocket.
Your mama's so fat you have to take a train and 2 buses just to get on her good side.
Your mama's so fat she has to wake up in sections.
Your mama's so fat she sat on a quarter and a booger popped out of George Washington's nose.
Your mama's so fat she put on some BVDs and by the time she got them on, they spelled Boulevard.
Your mama's so fat the National Weather Service gives a name to each one of her farts.
Your mama's so ugly they're gonna move Halloween to her birthday.
In the slums that pass, can we overcome a mask? Can we be the ones to actually be the ones to free our people from guns?